everybody. We're getting ready to do lesson 4.2 of SAT Math Level 1. Here's my contact information for online tutoring, tests, worksheets, PowerPoints, video, solution PowerPoints, yeah. Or to complete full course, email me here. 4.2, ratio and variation. We got 24 points here of notes and 68 points for a skill sheet. That's at the end of part 2 of 4.2. Overview. A ratio is a comparison by division of two quantities that are measured in the same units. So the ratio of Mary's age to Gary's age is 2 to 1, read as 2 to 1. Since Mary's age, and then here is a breakdown for it here. One quantity may be related to another quantity so that either the ratio or product of these quantities always remain the same. That is an overview of this and what's in this section. Ratio of A to B. The ratio of A to B, B cannot equal 0, is the fraction A over B, which can be written as A to B. The ratio of number of girls to number of boys in a certain class, 3 to 5. If there is a total of 32 students in the class, how many girls are in the class? So, since the number of girls is a multiple of 3, and the number of boys is the same multiple of 5, let 3x the number of girls in the class, and 5x be the number of boys in the class. This goes in your notebook here. So we have 3x plus 5x equals 32, 8x equals 32, and then we solve for x. So then we plug that back into our original equation, and we get 12. So ratio of A to B to C. So the ratio of B to C, then the ratio of A to C is A to C, provided that B stands for the same number of both ratios. For example, if the ratio of A to B is 3 to 5 and the ratio of B to C is 5 to 7, then the ratio of A to C is 3 to 7. In this case, B represents the number of both ratios. If the ratio of A to B is 3 to 5 and the ratio of B to C is 2 to 7, what is the ratio of A to C? Change each ratio into an equivalent ratio in which the term that corresponds to B is the same number. The ratio of A to B is 3 to 5, so the term corresponding to B is 5. The ratio of B to C is 2 to 7, so the term corresponding to B in this ratio would be 2. This will go in your notebook, and when you get to your own PowerPoint or video, you can stop. Or if you get a note taken, you can definitely take these notes. Right now we're going to go onward. The least common multiple of 5 and 2 is 10. You need to change each ratio into the equivalent ratio, which the term corresponding to B is 10. So since the ratio of A to B is equivalent to 6 to 10, the ratio of B to C is equivalent to 10 to 35. The ratio of A to C is 6 to 35 then. And then you can, well, that is in simplest terms, so that would be the final result of that ratio. Direct variation. If two quantities change in value so that the ratios always remain the same, then one quantity is said to vary directly with the other. When one quantity varies directly with another quantity, a change in one causes a change in another in the same direction. Both increase or both decrease. So that would be a direct variation. Notebook, page 8. If y equals kx, where k is constant, y is 27, when x is 18, what is the value of k when x equals 30? Order pairs 18, 27, 30y must satisfy the equation y equals kx, or equivalently, y over x equals k, since 27 over 18 equals k and y over 30 equals k. 27 over 18 equals y over 30. And then we go ahead and we solve for y. This is in your notebook, page 9. Page 10 in your notebook. So we're at this point here, 2y equals 90. And then we just solve for y. The value of y is 45. This is notebook page 10. If you're using a note take, which you can get at that email. At 28 pennies weighs 42 grams. What is the weight in grams of 50 pennies? The number of pennies and their weight vary directly, since multiplying one of the two quantities of pennies by a constant causes the other to be multiplied by the same constant. If x represents the weight in grams of 50 pennies, then pennies over grams equals 28 over 42 equals 50 over x. This is your notebook, page 11 here. Pennies over grams, so 50 over x, we cross multiply here to find what x is. 28x equals 42 times 50. 2100 over 28 equals 75. So the weight of 50 pennies would be 75 grams due to that direct variation proportion. Notebook, page. So that was lesson 4.2, part 1. And if you need to get back to me about note-taking sheets, online tutoring, quizzes, and tests, PowerPoints, video, or solution PowerPoints, email me here and I can set you up. Thank you very much.